Okay, so now that I have it out of the box, the next thing to do is to set it up. So let's see how we can do that. To set it up, you have a button here. So press and hold this button. Once you press the button, you will feel the vibration and then you will see this screen here. So the next thing is to choose the language. I'm going to tap on English here. And then you're going to see the QR code. So the next step is obvious. We need to scan the QR code and install the app. So let's do that. Now, if you don't have a QR code scanner, you can definitely find one in your app store. Now, I have already one installed, so I'm going to use this one. Now, just scan the code like this. After you scan the QR code, you will get this link here. So now just tap on it and you will get redirected to this page here. Now tap on the download and tap on install. So we need to install Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear. Now, if for some reason the QR code didn't work for you, you can just look for Mi Fitness app in your app store and you can install it from there. Okay, now that the app is installed, tap on open. Here, tap on start. Here you'll have to check the first check, the second one is optional. Tap on agree. Region is really not that relevant. Usually what I do is I choose United Kingdom, let's say, just to avoid certain issues that you can have with regions. I usually use United Kingdom or United States, but really it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be your own region. Tap on next after this, and here we are in the app now. Now the next step is to tap on the devices and add a device and tap on agree. Now of course make sure that your Bluetooth is on. My Bluetooth is on, that's very important. And here again on agree. Here tap on allow. And now let's wait. There it is. It found it quite quickly. Redmi Watch 3 active. Tap on it now. And it says this feature requires signing into your Xiaomi account. So you have to sign in. Sadly, you cannot skip this step. So I'm going to tap on sign in. Now on this page you have several options. You have an option to log in if you have an account. You have an option to create an account. If you forget the password, you can tap here. Sign in via SMS or via your Google account. I'm going to use this one here and I'm going to tap on agree here. And now I'm going to choose one of my Google accounts. This one is just for testing. And now I'm redirected back to this page. I'm going to tap again on Redmi to connect. And now we can wait for connections to be established. We can see that the same number is on both screens. So I'm going to confirm it here by tapping on this check and here on pair. Unlock your online potential with Hostinger's fast, secure and affordable web hosting solutions. Click on the link below for an exclusive 20% off and start building your dream website today. There it is. We can see that it's paired right now and we can see it working, but we have to finish this here. So I'm going to just go here through a few settings. Okay, so the next step here is to grant permissions to stay connected. Actually, I'm just going to tap here on done. We are going to do that anyway. So here I'm going to tap on continue on the next screen. Here are just few instructions. Tap here on next, next, done. Sync all notifications. Here you can choose from which apps you can get notifications. You can change this later if you make a mistake. Right now it's set to all notifications. You can tap here and on this check, and then you can tap on set, and first you will have to turn this on. So just make sure that this is on. Tap here on set, and now you need to find the app here. Here it is. Tap on Mi Fitness and allow notification access. So this is very important. I'm going to tap here again, allow. With this you are allowing your smartphone to communicate with the smartwatch via Bluetooth. So that's very important to do. Now let's tap on the back again. And now we have the list of apps from which you can get notifications, so you can select from which specific apps you would like to get notifications. For example, I'm going to choose the WhatsApp here and so on. And then when I'm finished, I'm just going to tap here on done, allow access to contacts. Yep, tap on set and allow. Tap here again, allow if you get these prompts, because again, you will see that your smartphone is asking for all of these permissions to send this data to the smartwatch, so you need to allow all of this. Sync DND to phone. DND stands for don't disturb. So if your phone is set to don't disturb, your smartwatch is going to be set to don't disturb too. So if you want that feature, leave this checked and then tap on set. I'm going to leave it, I don't really mind. And the next step is to choose the date of birth. So I'm going to choose this here, it really doesn't matter. Yeah, something like this. Male, female, tap on next. How tall are you? Tap on next. How many kilograms? Done. And turn on sync, definitely tap here on OK. Update available. If you get this prompt, always update your devices. So tap here on continue and download. Now, once the update downloads, make sure that the phone is close to the smartwatch and wait for the update to be done. Okay, now that the update is done, I'm going to tap here on continue. And if you get this prompt, tap on connect. And with this, we are pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below the like button in the comment box below. And yeah, have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.